All right, we're with Alex Marriott, our tour guide of the Panama Canal, and he's going to show us a Panamanian ghetto. And he asked us, "Are you sure you want to go?" And the answer was 1,000%. 1,000%. So, okay, so tell me, where are we going now?
To do the ghetto tour.
The ghetto tour?
Yeah, the ghetto
Is this something that most people request?
I mean, I used to ask things and I used to speak most of the time, and in order to have this feedback, I can see if the customer is able or not to see something different. Something like, like the real thing. Not only the touristic places, not only the fancy places, the sky creepers or something. No. That is not the real Panama. So for people who likes to see this thing, I am able to take you inside the places. Okay. And for example, look over here. You got this place and the city is right next to, but so check around where we are. We are getting into Curundu area. Even the name Curundu sounds
bad.
It's Curundu. It's like a native word or something. I really don't know what it means. But this place used to be. Right now, it's really nice because it used to be just like that. Things in terms that you have this entire field of buildings over here full of houses like that.
Oh, so
like those one over
shanties.
There. Yes.
You got a nice old taxi there. That guy's getting ready to go.
But look about those houses over here.
Yeah, let's look.
That is something that you're entirely out of the brochure.
They didn't have a brochure about this? ¿Qué pasa? Yeah. So these are houses.
Those are houses.
Casas. Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien.
Bien.
Ahí no vas a salir en la cámara.
Hola. No?
Today people is like
this should definitely be on the pamphlet.
People is more relaxed.
People are people though. Everybody looks happy over here, except for the people on drugs. They look lost. Lots of smiles from people. That's all I'm getting. Look at all that garbage. Ooh. That's the thing that always drives me crazy, all the garbage.
Yeah, we have a huge problem of garbage management in Panama.
I also we noticed last night that there's a lot of the air conditioners are also caged here, the condenser,
Yep.
And we have that problem in the United States. Oh, I like the Bridge and Tunnel Club right there. You want to be a part of the Bridge and Tunnel Club? ¿Qué pasa?
In Panama, you can say, instead of ¿qué pasa?, you can say ¿qué sopa?
¿Qué sopa?
¿Qué sopa?
Does that mean what's up?
Like, ¿qué sopa? Aha.
¿Qué sopa?
The thing is that in Panama, we used to switch or turn words.
What are they playing right here? Playing a game.
They are playing dominoes.
Jeez.
Well, you are pretty cool because you got the police station over here.
Yeah. ¿Qué sopa? Is that good? Is that the right word?
Exactly like that.
¿Qué sopa?
¿Qué sopa? It's like, what's up? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasa? You said you turn pasó to sopa.
¿Qué sopa?
Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense. So we're in the ghetto with Danny, and we got military backup, is what I'm saying. So if he has to grab somebody's M2, was that what it's called? M4. We know what we got to do. Look at all that garbage right there. It's filthy. And that's been sitting there stagnant for a while. Oh, he's in a hurry.
Yeah, and that's...
Was it? Lady boy? Oh, yeah.
That's only one example of a Panamanian ghetto.
¿Qué sopa? ¿Qué sopa?
Exactly.
This is your newspaper right here?
No, that's the. These guys are taking control of the elections yesterday.
Oh, okay. So they're making the counts.
Yep.
So whoever count win the election, right? Whoever making the count win the election. Correcto?
Yep.
They choose the votes.
They are
That's
the
right.
guys that are really.
Stalin says, who cares who's voting as long as I'm the one counting? If they want to book a tour of Panama and they want to book it with you directly, how do they request that?
In the case of this tour, it's because you contact my cousin Sharon.
507
69499926. That's kind of difficult.